In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the SimplePRO Protractor. Hi, this is Justin from Precast Simplified, and in this video we're going to show you how to install the SimplePRO Protractor. Super easy. The main thing is you got to get a license for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to precastsimplified.com. We're going to go to the store. We're going to go to our shop. And here you can see the SimplePRO Protractor. We're going to click on that. Now we have a couple different options here. You can pay for it per month, you can buy a full year, or you can buy a lifetime license so you have it forever and just pay once. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this to my cart. All right, and then here, if you want to upgrade to the year, I'll just go ahead and do that real quick. And then I'm going to go to checkout. And then you would do the checkout process here. All right, now once you have made your payment, it's going to come up with this message here. You just click on continue. And then here you can sign in to your account. It's going to be the email that you used when you did the checkout. So we're just going to click on next here. I already have a password, but if you didn't have a password, you can just click on send a login code. It will send it to your email. I'm just going to click login. All right, so this is the order that we just placed here, and it says that we paid. So we can click on here, and then these are all the details. Now it says right here, it's starting in 7 days. So you're not going to get billed this $30 until 7 days because you have a 7-day free trial. One other thing I want to show you here is in the plans. This was the one that we just did. And here you can come up to here and you can click cancel plan, basically cancel it. But you're still going to be able to use it for the full 7 days. And then you can always restore the plan as well in the future. All right, so these are the emails you're going to get: confirmation of your payment, confirmation of your order, and you can click this to log in to see the details in your dashboard. And then this is the actual license key and the download link. Let's just click on the download link. You can see it's downloading here, and now it is downloaded. So we're just going to click on the show folder, or just go to wherever your files download. It's a zip file, so you're not going to be able to open it from here. So we're just going to click on show in folder. It's going to open up my download folder, and then here I can just right click on the zip file and click extract all. Extract. Now it's going to extract it into this folder here, so we can just run the setup now. So just double tap on this, and here you want to click on more info and click on run anyway. Just run through the setup here, pretty much all the defaults, what you're going to need, and then finish. Right now it's going to pop open to our license screen here, and all we need to do is go back to our email, and we just need to grab our key, copy that, and you can actually come down to the bottom here. You can see the SimplePRO Protractor, and double tap on it, and it will open this back up. Paste in your key and click on activate license. All right, now we are activated and the protractor is open and ready to use. And I'll do another video on how to actually use all the features of the protractor. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, enjoy the protractor.